Hello, in this video I want to show you how to upgrade healing potions in Diablo 4. And to do this you will need to reach level 15 to actually be able to upgrade the potions. Then you can click on map, go to the main city in Vashet, or however it's called, and right here you'll see priority quest healing potion upgrading. You can right click on it to mark it with a map and then simply head on to that quest marker. When you arrive, interact with the alchemist and click on I want to increase potency of my healing potions. There will be quests that will allow you to upgrade potions. Then click on him again and here you can upgrade tiny healing potion, and if you reach level 20, upgrade it to minor healing potion. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.